Hello guys, ayan Mayang Vlogs here. So, for today's video, ako po ay nagluluto ng puchero. So, it is a pork meat. Ayan, pork meat siya. Puchero. So, ingredients is pork. Either pork belly or the lean meat part of the pork, you can choose it. So ayan, ang ating gulay are potato, saging na saba. Ayan, saging na saba is importante dyan sa puchero, and then cabbage and bagu beans, or the long beans. Ayan guys, so ayan ang ating ulam for today, pork puchero. Then with tomato sauce yan, of course with tomato sauce. So, thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much for your love and support kay Mayang Vlogs. God bless everyone. Kainan na. There you go.